Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about Allure Beauty Boxes, and I'm going to do a quick review of all three Allure Beauty Boxes that came in January, February, and March this year. I'm super excited. I'm going to show you how the products look whenever I can, or give some my opinion of how you could use them and how valuable this product is. I also plan to talk a little bit about the April box, where we're getting the Yves Saint Laurent lipsticks. Super excited and waiting for it because they're doing kind of like pink edition of the lipsticks. Last year I think it was more nude edition and brown edition, but anyway, super psyched. Let's start with the January box that I have over here. So in January, what we got, you can see here, quite a lot of stuff. Yeah, this is the heavy one, mostly because it has several full-sized products. So let's start with this biggest one. This is a hair mask, quite sizable, big package. And if I open it, let's look at the texture. Very whipped kind of texture. Smells really nice, like coconut. And this is Blake Brown Wild Nectar Nourishing Mask. It looks like something that would make my hair, my ends so great, and I like the coconut smell already, the coconut scent. And it says that you should kick your hair conditioner to the curb and greet your new hair care essential nourishing mask. So they're very confident that they're better than the regular hair conditioner. It has notes of bergamot, fig, cardamom, and sandalwood, the most memorable scent. So this is supposed to be a replacement for hair conditioner, and also smelling smelling great. They for some reason make an emphasis on it, so this is like a scented kind of product. And if we look at our little guide that I always read, because sometimes they have tips and explanations of why, like how to use the product best, it is from Blake Lively. I didn't even know this. So Blake Brown is a Blake Lively brand. So if you like Gossip Girl and other movies with her, if you're her fan, then you might like this. In the place of hair conditioner, she puts chock full glycerin, sunflower seed extracts, deeply hydrate, soften hair. After shampooing, rinsing, skip conditioner and rake a dollop of this thick butter-like cream into hair. Sounds good to me, so I'm gonna put this in my bathroom and see how it works. The next thing here in the January box was Mitchell & Peach English Flowers Body Souffle. I'm gonna be honest with you, when I just opened the box, the whole box kind of had this fresh smell, and the smell was coming from this product, and it has like a very pleasant fresh scent. And my husband has the perfume of the same brand, Mitchell & Peach, and has this, I like it a lot, but it's probably something I would prefer to smell on my husband. That's why he got this perfume in the first place. And this souffle is very similar to the perfume that he has, so I'm just gonna give it to him. It doesn't mean it's bad or anything. If you like fresh scents, or if you are ready to try this, this is a great brand. This is a great scent. I'm actually gonna put a little bit on my hand just to remember. Yeah, very nice and fresh in a good way. It is not musky. I would say it's unisex smell. It is not heavy, or I wouldn't call it masculine. I think it's more fresh. Yeah, good for summer. Cools you off a little bit. Anyway, it's a great one, and my husband is lucky because he's getting it. It does have some English honey in it. It's a full body cream, very lightweight, can be worn day and night, has a refreshing scent, citrus, coriander, and basil. I do like basil and fresh aroma, so that's really good. Layers nicely, or instead of your favorite fragrance. Apply it right after shower. Meat Chilling Peach, awesome. And next we have Obagi Hydrate Facial Moisturizer, and let's see. I'm gonna try to test it right now on my face. It has a pump, which I appreciate. I do not like to get my finger into the jars. Finally got the pump to spit out some moisturizer, so you can see here the texture of it. It's slightly green, and it has that like old school kind of facial moisturizer scent. It doesn't have like an aroma or anything, so somebody who likes clean beauty without any scent will like it. It's rather lightweight, and it's like your classical clean beauty kind of moisturizer, in my opinion. It's somewhere between medium and heavy on the like moisturizing effect. I think I'd consider applying it at night, but it's all day moisturization. So this is focusing on making your skin stay moisturized for a long time, and lightweight texture, and it has nourishing butters, shea and mango oil, hydrating avocado oil, moisture locking glycerin. Yeah, that's the glycerin is the smell I'm probably recognizing. And it is more of a lightweight yogurt texture, but I think it is pretty rich, so I don't like very heavy moisturizers at the beginning of my day. I do like them at night. So blendable, and it does not have some SPF, so keep that in mind. But it's like your classics, you know. The next one would be the eye masks. Let's check. They're like hydrogel under eye masks. I'm not gonna try them now, but this is super handy. There are 3 packages that you can take to an airplane, airport, or whatever. I can feel through the package how cool they are, and kind of secretly want to put them on my eyes. But this is very handy, always helpful, always something I'm gonna use. And is there any particular tips? Yeah, actually it says that it gives a solid night's rest to your eyes with these extra large hydrating hydrogel patches. After washing your face, gently apply each mask directly under bottom eyelids. Press into place, pour yourself a cup of coffee after 15 minutes, rub in excess moisture, and then move on to the rest of your skincare routine. And this is from Levitate Beauty. $4 per package is not too bad at all, so I think it's a well-priced product. What else do we have here? Actually, yeah, the star of this box was Tarte sculpting tape, and I have this cool bronze option here, and I'm gonna show you right now how it works. Tarte is a good company, good makeup brand in my view. Here's the package, and it has this, oh, something already got out, but I have this brush here, and I will try to be careful and apply the sculpting product to show you. And it's very blendable. How you use it: twirl, open the top of the tube, squeeze to dispense. That kind of happened without me, but anyway. Dab the cushion covered applicator head directly into cheekbones, forehead, nose, and wherever you choose. So let me see if I can. Yeah, I picked up a lot of it, but let's see if I can blend it for the contour that is promised by this product. And yes, I say that it is pretty blendable. Let's see if it does the job. If I layer a little more to show you just how how much it could blend. So I usually do the contouring in like a 3 on my face. Follow a little bit on the forehead, then, you know, the cheekbones and some in the bottom. Plus I want to do this with my nose just to see how well it works. I think it's, yeah, it's like a contouring bronzer a little bit, and I like it. I do think it's very blendable. Here, Tarte, for your summer looks. My shade is called Cool Bronze, and it does not look too yellow on my pale, cold complexioned face, so that's good. But I do think I look a little bit like summery and sun-kissed now. So yeah, keep that in mind when choosing the color. All right, and the last product of the January box was Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, humidity resistant. This is the product. Let me see if when I'm supposed to apply it. It's Paul Mitchell is a professional brand, so I expect a lot. It's anti-freeze, anti-flyaways, protects from heat damage too, silky elixir, swarming with smoothing silicones and sweet notes of apples and berries. I need to warm a nickel size amount in my hands before finger combing through damp hair. No matter how you follow it up with a blow dry, straightening session, or a simple air dry, you'll get the same sleek, shiny finish. Actually, I'm gonna try to apply it right now. I know it's not according to the rules, but I'm gonna apply a little bit on my ends and see what happens. It has this pleasant kind of berry vanilla kind of scent. So I just washed my hair yesterday, so I'm not washing it to try this product, but I'm gonna see if it tames my hair that gets a little unruly and frizzy and all that stuff. Oh, you can see visually even that my hair gets more sleek from this oil. Let's see if it keeps it up. I think it does have that anti-freeze effect. Just a little bit on the edges of my very edges of my bangs, the middle. Yeah, definitely sleeks you up immediately and kind of makes my unruly locks look a little more as if I styled it. Yeah, you definitely don't need a lot of this oil. It seems to be quite potent, and like a little amount that I used was